Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? You know, they say that technology is advancing so fast these days that soon we'll be telling our grandkids. Back in my day, we didn't have robots delivering our pizza, but until then, let's talk about Agility Robotics and their plan to mass-produce humanoid robots called Digitin, the good ol' USA. So, Agility Robotics is building a plant in Salem, USA, to produce these digit humanoid robots. They've got 2 legs and 2 arms, just like us. And they're designed to work alongside humans in warehouses and factories. Now, that's all well and good, but I can't help but wonder what kind of jobs are these robots gonna steal from us. I mean, they can maneuver freely, operate in environments with steps, and they don't even need a coffee break. It's like they're overachieving interns who never complain. The CEO of Agility Robotics, Damian Shelton, says this plant, called RoboFab, will be massive, covering 70,000 square feet. I mean, that's one huge robot playground. And they plan to employ more than 500 people to build these robots. But here's the kicker. They want to produce up to 10,000 robots a year. That's right, folks, 10,000 robots. Now, they say some customers will get their first robots next year. Can you imagine the delivery guy showing up at your door with a humanoid robot? Hey, here's your pizza, and this is Digit. He'll be your new roommate. And get this, they're not planning to rent or lease these robots. They're going to sell them. So, you'll have to make a serious commitment to your robot companion. No short-term flings here. But here's the real kicker. Agility Robotics has beaten potential competitors, including Tesla. Yeah, you heard me right. Elon Musk and his Optimus initiative. I can just imagine the showdown between Digit and Optimus Prime. I am Digit, the friendly warehouse worker. I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. It's like a robot WWE match waiting to happen. In conclusion, folks, the robot revolution is upon us, and I, for one, welcome our new robot overlords. Just remember, when the day comes that robots are delivering our pizzas, be nice to them. You never know when they might become self-aware and remember how you treated them. So, here's to the future, where the robots are cool, the ideas are even cooler. And don't forget to subscribe to the Cool Ideas channel. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time.